Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The former governor of Kaduna State, Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, has warned and said ahead of 2027 that the Southwest and Tinubu supporters are playing with fire. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, he doesn't need any introduction. He has made himself very relevant in Nigerian politics since he emerged as the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, and went on to become the Governor of Kaduna State and was instrumental in APC power to shift to Southern Nigeria and to Bola Ahmed Tinubu in particular. But he has had his falling out with Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the APC, but he still remains, according to him, a loyal party member who is just not happy about the state of the party and the state of the nation. Now, in two-parts series I've seen so far, he has written what he titled 2027 Southwest Tinubu supporters playing with fire. In summary, what he was saying is that the Tinubu supporters and the Southwest are exhibiting arrogance of power, for which they could pay a price for it in 2027 if care is not taken. What he was saying is that the things that made Goodluck Jonathan to lose the presidency in 2015 is unfolding before everybody's eyes. And Tinubu supporters and the Southwest are not learning from it. The Tinubu supporters are believing that they are invincible, that nothing could stop them. So he made references to the alleged condescending way that the Jonathan administration and the Ijaw ethnic group allegedly were treating the North as if the North doesn't matter. Okay, he said that kind of treatment galvanized the North to work against the Jonathan administration, despite the fact that at that time PDP was the biggest political party in Nigeria and everything seemed to be working for them. But they were able, North was able to upstage him, and he became a one-time president because they were insensitive to the feelings of the North. That they were insensitive to the feelings of the North. North was seen as it doesn't matter. It can be done without. Okay. He also made references to some of the utterances coming out from the mouth of the First Lady of Nigeria at that time, President Jonathan, and the others of Ijaw extraction. Talking about, not talking about the North in not a salutary way, okay, which galvanized opposition against that administration. He said that he is seeing that kind of thing developing in Tinubu's administration and in the minds of the people of the Southwest, that this is their turn and nothing can be done. They have to run it. This is either their way or the highway. Nobody should tell them what to do. Is El-Rufai said this, he wants his party to win in 2027. But the way he's looking at it, if this attitude continues, that there is no possibility, there is a possibility that it will be difficult. That's why he's talking about that they are playing with fire, that they are playing with fire, that they better not play with fire to ensure that the party wins in 2027. And he said that he also heard people say that Tinubu is not Jonathan. You know, he said that people are saying, people from Southwest and supporters of Tinubu, they say he's not Jonathan, who could be able to be pushed out of power. Okay, and he said it doesn't work that way. Don't be thinking like that, because anything can happen. Don't think that the Tinubu is too big, he's too powerful a political figure that he cannot be defeated, or that the APC cannot be defeated. A strong coalition can defeat the APC. That's what Malam Nasiru El-Rufai was driving at, to warn his own party and to warn Tinubu that what happened to Jonathan could happen to him in 2027 if they don't get rid of this messianic complex that they have it or nothing will happen. This idea that they are too strong to be defeated, this idea that they know what to do, should not be their attitude. In other words, what he's saying is Tinubu should ensure that the northern base is maintained, that the northern base is not angry with him, just as they were angry with Jonathan administration, so that he can stand a chance of being re-elected, or APC returning the presidency. I think what he's saying, some people are kicking against it. I know some people are saying, what do they mean? Is it only North that will make somebody president? Well, the truth of the matter is that without the North, Tinubu couldn't have been president. We know that INEC did their magic, but that magic was helped in part because North played ball, and INEC capitalized on that and was able to couple the votes together, the 8.7 million votes. Because if you look at the election, Tinubu was rejected in southern Nigeria. Majority of southern Nigerian people, 70% of southern Nigerians rejected Bola Ahmed Tinubu. 70% or more rejected Bola Ahmed Tinubu. It's only in the southwest, even in the southwest, which is supposed to be his home zone, he couldn't even win all the states. He managed to get only 4 states out of 6. So it shows you he came to power with the least victory margin since 1999. Just 8.7 million votes. Now, if you look at it, INEC declared him winner with 8.7 million votes. Atiku got 6.9 million votes. P2B got 6.1 million votes. Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso got 1.4 million votes. Now, if you calculate the votes of Peter Obi, Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, and Atiku Abubakar, but we know that Peter Obi was the actual winner of that election. His vote was drastically cut all over the place. But going by the figure that INEC did as the result of that election, you can see that the votes of Peter Obi, Atiku Abubakar, and Kwankwaso were almost 50 million votes, almost double the vote that they used in declaring Tinubu the winner of the election. In other words, meaning that majority of Nigerians voted against Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He got 8.7 million, but we have about 15 million Nigerians who say, we don't want Tinubu to be our president. We don't want him. And majority, those who gave him that 8.7 million votes, they were basically from the north. So if that base is not happy with you, they are accusing you of nepotism. They are accusing you of mismanaging the economy. They are accusing you of causing their suffering. They are accusing you of failure to secure them. You are in trouble. So when El-Rufai said that the Southwest and Tinubu, who felt that it's their entitlement to be president in 2023, that they are playing with fire because the 10 that gave them presidency can take away that presidency. That's the message from Malam Nasiru El-Rufai. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Because there is ordinarily the North, I have done a video where I talk about how you can get power in Nigeria without the core North. But before you can do that, the South have to be united. You can produce a president of Nigeria without the North, without the core North. And when I mean core North, I mean the conservative North. You can call it the Islamic North. You can get presidency without them. But before you can do that, the South must be united. Right now, the South is not united. In fact, there are more fights between Yoruba and the Igbo and other southern minorities. So where is the savior of Tinubu going to come from? If not, decide that he's going to be a one-term president. So you have to be careful and pay attention to what El-Rufai is saying. That's what he's warning his party. He's giving them free consultancy on how not to be disgraced out of power in 2027. But you and I know that it is difficult to save this sinking APC in 2027 as long as this suffering continues. Unless there's a miracle that they are going to do between now and the next 2 years. So whatever is your position on this issue of El-Rufai warning the Southwest and Tinubu supporters that they are playing with fire, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.